You show me you love Kelly and care Kelly rather than me.
Hold on. No.
You
No.
always spend time and attention to Kelly,
No, I don't.
unlike
don't.
me. Hide
No,
me
I don't.
wherever you two go. Matt,
I
your
don't.
friend, my friend in 2 years, betrayed me. Cover all what you cheat.
No.
Don't say
No.
anything about
you,
me. That you three together
Hold on.
is
Hold on.
end
You
that
are
baseball
mistaken.
without telling me.
I was wrong. I did wrong.
How
did
many
wrong.
months you did not support me? You did not support me. You not send money to me. Because why? Because why? You spent your money on the packing shit, Kelly. You spent your money out of dinner, out of date of that Kelly. Where is your money? To that fucking shit woman that you
Let me-
cheat of me. You always with Kelly's side. You always love and care Kelly rather than me that it's supposed to me as your girlfriend. Now you will say to me, sorry for all you did to me? Tell me.
Yes. I am very sorry. I'm very sorry. You know, I am very sorry. I am
I
sorry.
feel alone, Tom. I feel alone. I feel alone standing with all my problem. Because if people know how it's hard for me, it's hard for me to stand alone of all the problem I get in my life. They understand Angie, but they don't understand me because they are not the one who wear the shoes in my life.
Okay. I'm gonna talk about this. Again, I am, listen to me. Please. Listen to me.
And you ask me that we will back in relationship over all what you did to me. You make me feel nothing.